Hello techies, in this video we are going to use IBM Watson visual recognition to analyze an image in Python. This is Efren Stephen Raj. I am going to show the demo in this video. Without any delay, let's jump into IBM Cloud. Go to cloud.ibm.com, then log in into your IBM Cloud account. If you don't have IBM Cloud account, you can create a new one. As soon as you log into IBM Cloud, you will land an IBM Cloud dashboard. IBM Cloud dashboard consists of all the IBM Cloud services that is previously provisioned by you. To use IBM Cloud visual recognition, go to the search bar, search for visual recognition, then click on visual recognition. This will take you to the creation page of visual recognition service. Why we are using IBM Cloud over other cloud providers in the market? The main advantage of using IBM Cloud is in IBM Cloud you can get a free plan, that is a light plan. In this light plan we can access almost all the IBM Cloud services for free forever. Scroll down, enter the name for your service, name for your visual recognition service, then click on create button. Now our IBM Cloud visual recognition service is successfully created. Go to the service credential, click on new credential, then click on add. Now go to your Python IDE. You can choose any Python IDE. In this demo, I'm going to use Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter is a web-based Python IDE. Jupyter is one of the favorite Python IDE among data scientists as well as AI developers. To use IBM Watson visual recognition in Python, we need to use two Python modules, that is IBM Watson and IBM Cloud Core SDK Core. To install these two Python modules in your system, enter pip install IBM underscore Watson. Then to install IBM Cloud SDK Core in your system, enter pip install IBM underscore cloud underscore SDK underscore core. Now let's import visual recognition version 3 from IBM Watson Python module. From IBM Watson, import visual recognition version 3. Now let's import IAM Authenticator from IBM Cloud SDK Core Python module. From IBM Cloud Core SDK dot authenticators, import IAM Authenticator. Now let's log in into your IBM Cloud service with help of API key. To do so, define a variable, then call IAM authenticator, then provide the API key. You can find your API key in IBM Cloud in IBM Cloud service credential. Click on the service credential one that we previously created, then copy the API key. Then paste it. Now let's configure our IBM Cloud Visual Recognition service. Define a variable, call Visual Recognition. Then enter the version. The version is 2018, 03, and 19. Now authenticator, IAM. Now we need to set the service URL for our IBM Cloud Visual Recognition service. vr.set service URL. Back to IBM Cloud, click on service credential one, copy this URL, paste it. That's it. Now our IBM Cloud Visual Recognition is ready to use in Python. To analyze an image, go to in Google search, then copy the image address. Back to IBM Cloud, back to our demo. To analyze an image, enter vr.classify, then enter the URL .get result. Sorry, there is something error in it. Wait a minute. URL. That's it. Our IBM Cloud Visual Recognition model successfully analyzed the image, and it identified a dog in that image with the confidence score of 0.958%, and it identifies a dog, domestic animal, English types of dog, and on dog, light brown color, and so on. This is how we have to use IBM Watson Visual Recognition in Python. With this, we came to the end of the video. I hope this video will be useful for you to use IBM Watson Visual Recognition in Python. I will share all the social media links in the description section. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as Facebook. My portfolio website links will be given in the description section. You can visit my portfolio website and contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.